Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how I take an SVG file from Creative Fabrica and turn it into an STL file so that I can 3D print this butterfly and use it as a tumbler handle. So let's get to it. I'm going to download these butterflies here from Creative Fabrica. Then I'm going to take it into Silhouette Studio because I don't want those flowers. So I'm just going to cut them off basically. I'm going to cut it in half. I'm using that little knife tool right there in Silhouette Studio to cut it in half. Then I'm just going to delete that piece. I don't need it. Then I'm going to save this as an SVG file. Then after I save it, I'm going to take it into my 3D printer software. And this is I already modified it. I'm just ready to put it on the jump drive. I didn't show the whole process because for the purpose of this video, it would be way too long. Okay, so I'm just slicing the image, and then I'll put it in my 3D printer and let it record. I mean, let it print. And this is the finished product. That butterfly right there, I just glittered it and attached it to the tumbler. I did it in purple and so if you're interested in Creative Fabrica, my link is going to be in the description. And I hope to see you guys on there. Thank you. Bye.